That's my car. Kung nakikita nyo, yung orange. Okay? Then, I walk mula doon. Guys, hiningal ako, hindi ko na kaya. So, I want to go back to the car. Hindi ko pa rin siya kaya. So, these few meters, oh. Few meters. 10 meters. Hiningal ako. So, I can't even go back to my car. And I can't even run. Before, natatakbo to ako ng 5-7 times. So, life's reality is, sometimes, may mga bagay na nawawala sa'yo. Alright? May mga bagay na dati meron ka, ngayon wala na. May mga bagay na dati nagagawa mo, ngayon hindi mo na nagagawa. Imagine. Gusto ko maiyak pero tapos na ako sa stage ng pag-iyak eh. Ang dami ko naiyak sa buhay, di ba? Kasi I lost that energy. Yung health ko parang hindi siya normal at this point in time. Diba? Nakakalungkot yun. Hindi ko mapuntahan yung kotse ko. So, I need to walk ng paunti-unti. May kasama naman po ako yung nurse na kapatid ko tsaka yung pamangkin ko. So, what I'm just trying to say this afternoon is yung kaya mong gawin ngayon or what you have right now, take advantage of it. Alright? Kung malakas ka pa ngayon, you do the things na kaya mo pang gawin. Okay? Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn kanina, I was watching, take advantage of the day. Kasi mamaya gagabi na. Diba? So, hanggat may araw, hanggat may liwanag, gawin mo na yung kaya mong gawin. Kasi mamaya, gabi na, madilim na, pagod ka na, wala ka nang magagawa. Alright? So, let's break it down to smaller items or ideas. Okay? Yung skill mo ngayon na kaya mong gawin, take advantage of it. Diba? Meron kang skill, kaya mong magsayaw, kaya mong magturo ng sayaw, kaya mong magturo ng kanta, kaya mong mag-drawing, kaya mong mag-tumbling, kaya mong mag-speaker, kaya mong mag-coach. So, take advantage of that. Gawin mo na. Hanggat may time, hanggat nandyan yung skills na yan, hanggat buo ka pa. Diba? Hanggat nandyan ka pa. May dalawang kamay, may dalawang pang paa, may boses ka. There is music. You do your skill. Take advantage of it. That's your resources na binigay ni Lord sa'yo. That's your talents, skills. You do it. Do it. Alright? Next, ano pa meron? Take advantage of the audience you have. Alright? Ano audience, Doc? Ba't napunta dyan ang audience? For example, you are into social media business or e-commerce. Diba? You have your audience. Meron kang marami FB friends. Meron kang followers sa YouTube or sa IG. You take advantage of that. Okay? So, for example, in my case, I almost have 80,000 subscribers sa YouTube channel ko. So, I'm taking advantage of that. Hanggat nandyan kayo, so I'm launching different programs. I do coaching, nag-speak tayo, nag-advertise tayong business ng ibang tao. So, I'm taking advantage of the audience that I have. So, anong audience meron ka? Diba? Yung mga clients mo, mga kliyente mo, sa negosyo mo, existing clients mo, take advantage of that. Sell more products. Provide more services. Take advantage of what you have. Take advantage of what you have. Alright? What else? You have your friends. You have your team. Take advantage of that. Diba? Take advantage of the team that you have. So, they are your brains. They are your extension of your hands. Diba? Take advantage of what they can do. Alright? So, leverage. Sabi nga isang nag-message sa atin, isang nagmamalasakit, sabi niya, Doc, pagod ka na, it's time to leverage. Diba? It's time to ask other people to do the things that you want to do and then just pay them. That's leverage. It makes you to accomplish more and to do other things na gusto mo pang gawin sa buhay mo. Diba? Take advantage of the team you have. Diba? Yung, even kung meron kang kaisa-isa, Dok, isa lang yung kaibigan ko, isa lang kasama ko sa team, take advantage of it. Kung meron siya mag-edit, gawa ka ng, magsulat, pa-edit mo sa kanya, then publish it, or sell it, content writer. Diba? Take advantage of that. You have a friend na magaling sa sales talk, magaling sa technical skill, take advantage of that. Magtayo kayo ng isa nyong social marketing agency. Or, yeah, any business, mag-partner kayo. Take advantage of the members of your family. Ako, meron akong isang kapatid na may space, masipag. I take advantage of that. So, sabi ko, mag-business partner tayo, mag-business tayo na overrun, never doing it. Diba? Take advantage of the, not in the negative thing po I mean, hindi tayo na naman tala. Ginagamit natin sila. We're paying them. Sila din nakikinabang in return. Diba? And one of my pamangkin, one of my nieces, ano siya mag-edit, bata. Diba? Daming gusto malaman. So, I'm taking advantage of that. Nag-edit siya ng aking, ng aking video. Take advantage of what your family can do. Take advantage of the business of your family. Diba? Diyan ka matututo Kahit wala kang sweldo, kahit allowance lang, take advantage of it. Diyan ka matututo Diba? Yan na nga Ayan na yung negosyo, nandyan na sa'yo. You just take advantage of it. Take advantage of the wisdom of your parents. You listen to them. Kung yung parents mo may negosyo, or department head, manager, salesperson, diba? May pagkwentuhan ka. And take notes. Take note of the things na sinasabi nila sa'yo. Magagamit mo yan in the near future. Diba? Take advantage also of the failure of other people. Pati failure nila, Doc G, paikinabago ako. Yes! Para hindi ka na mag-fail. Diba? Naalala ko when I was still studying in Miriam College, malapit lang yun sa Ateneo. Bumaba ako minsan sa iba-ibang daan hindi sa tamang daan kasi medyo malayo. Doon ako sa patakbo-takbo pagitan ng Ateneo at ng Miriam sa Quezon City. May nakalagay na karatula doon, malaki. Huwag tumawid. May namatay na dito. Babala, di ba? Pero tawid pa rin tayo ng tawid. Ako, tawid pa rin ako ng tawid. Hindi pa rin ako natuto doon sa mistake. That's wrong, di ba? So, kailangan, let's take advantage doon sa naging mali na ibang tao. Na-scam na siya dyan The same people, the same process, the same investment. Then, why invest there? Di ba? Take advantage of the mistakes of other people. Alamin mo saan sila nagkamali. Ang dami naman nating alam Di ba? Ang dami nating kilalang tao na dating mayaman, mahirap na ngayon. Anong nangyari? Nagkasino? Di wag ka magkasino. Nalulung sa bisyo, wag ka magbisyo. Wag mo na i-try. Alam mo naman yung dulo, di ba? Nalulung sa masamang relasyon. Wagsak. Dati ano siya? Pinapigilan ng sarili. Nag-engage sa maling relasyon. Ano nangyari? Asa siya ngayon? Take advantage of the mistakes of other people, the failure of other people. Diba? And take advantage also of the success of other people. Buy success books. Kasi success ng tao, ng author na yan, na pinagdaanan niya, ayan sinamarize niya sa 50 pages, 100 pages, ayaw pang basahin. It can save, sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, it can save 50 years of your life. The success story of other people. Alamin mo, ba't siya nagtagumpay? Anong formula? Anong formula ng success niya? Anong formula ng pagiging mayaman niya? Ano sabi ni Boss Sanchez? Anong formula niya? 110, 20, 70. Formula ni Ty Lopez, A1, A2, A3. Formula ni Dan Lok, Triangle of Wealth. Formula ni Doc G, ituturo ko sa'yo. I can be your wealth coach. So, agam mo ko, 0939-5254311. Diba? Take advantage of the success of other people. Ang dami natin matutunan sa success story. Hindi lang sa failure, kundi sa success stories ng ibang tao. Alright? And take advantage of the opportunity na nandyan sa'yo ngayon. Kung ikaw nasa rurok na ng tagumpay, take advantage of it. Save, invest, di ba? Kung ikaw ay you have all the things na pangarap ng isang tao, take advantage of it. Di ba? Manage your resources. Sinupin, di ba? Alright, so take advantage of what you have right now. Doc G, eto na lang natira sa sarili ko eh. So, eto kasi yung mga kasama ko. Nile-lecturean natin sila. Take advantage of what you have. Your health. Kasi kanina, di ko matakbo yun oh. So, dati natatakbo to 5 times, 7 times. Doon ako nag-start kanina sa video ko. Okay? So, whatever you have right now, kung ano man natira sa sarili mo, anumang kapirasong health meron ka ngayon, take advantage of that. Kapirasong pag-asa, kapirasong opportunity na lang, wala nang natira. Sarili mo na lang natira sa buhay mo. Still, kaya mo pa rin mabuhay. Take advantage of what you have. You have your family, friends, opportunity na nandyan sa paligid natin. Alright, so thank you very much, GDvers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!